I'm going to play a sound for you right now, and I'm curious how many of you remember this sound. We heard it all the time. We heard it all the time, and I'm certain there's probably some places that still you can still hear this in everyday life, but this was just an everyday life sound. And I want to know how many of you remember this sound, and if if it's still going on near you, awesome, share. But I think it's a generational thing. So let me know what you think this is. Do you know it? I'll play it again. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.